Today I show an unboxing of the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, and it has this really nice kind of, it's not perfect, there are imperfections in the packing. It's like between cardboard and paper, and I like this. And the color is Canyon. Before the presentation I pre-ordered this from Amazon and they delivered it pretty quickly. Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, and this one is 512GB and it should be 12GB of RAM or 16, I'm not sure. The Canyon color. It needs a charger, 7.5 watts to 45 watts, USB power delivery. So how you open the box? It has this kind of a pull tab from here. Okay, so that's it. Could I put it back and make it look like it was never opened? I guess you could, kind of. I'm not sure how effective this thing is. So this should just slide like this, like something like this. So no, the experience is not so great. So I really like that this part is generic. So the actual box that matters is made of this kind of recycled cardboard. I like this. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see. So it lifts. Oh, wow. Okay. It really looks very interesting. Let's see this. Okay, it came out. I guess I'll just do it like this. Protection from breaking is Class A. Wow, that's really good. Repairability is B. And the cycles 1000 charging times. And IP68. I really like this kind of information in one go. SIM card tool. And that's the SIM tool. And some interesting booklet. Wow. Information about the phone. More information here, and this is information about the frequency bands. In different regions there might be different bands, and it needs a charger. The main thing here, so when you want to open it, you just remove it like this. Oh, there is a cable. Okay, so this is the phone. It feels really good, like, so this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And it's pretty much very similar size and shape, maybe a little bit smaller, like, but it's because it's without a case. So I think it's less wide than the iPhone, which is good. I think it's good. Okay, so let's see the cable. There's nothing else in the box. And this is a basic USB-C to USB-C cable. And now the cable comes out. It feels like silicone, so it feels good. Maybe 1.2 meters, like this. 1.2 meter. It's always nice to have the cable in the box and a charger, hopefully at some point. So this is how the camera island or array looks like. Very futuristic. 3 cameras here, and there is this, because of this color, it's golden. So you have these 3 colors, 3 cameras, and this one is very, like a really serious sensor in there. I'm not sure how I can show you, but it's really deep. Like there's a lot of going on there. Looks like a serious zoom camera. This is a notification and some kind of other microphone, I guess. Yeah, it feels good. So let's open it. This is the Pixel 11 Pro XL Canyon color. Okay. That's the paper out of the way. Wow. This really feels like it's real gold. It feels so good, really. Wow. So you have this, I feel like I'm gonna put fingerprints on it, and it's really, it feels so good. and the color here and the Google logo is like a bit like the iPhone, where it has a bit of different feel. So this gold metallic, I think it's metal, this thing is also on the Google logo and on the edges of the camera. So wow. And actually the edges, when I hold it, there is a good grip on them. So it's not like those things when you might drop the phone. I can hold the phone with 2 fingers and I don't worry that I might drop it. This part here might be a little bit slippery, but when you touch the Google logo, it holds on to it. So yeah, you have here, okay, so let's go around the phone. You have some information. What's this? G4HCD, some kind of code. So there is nothing on the left side of the Google Pixel phone. And the top here you have the SIM card tray. Not all the Google Pixel phones will have this SIM tray. I think this is probably a microphone here. And then you have on the right side of the phone, you have power button, volume up and volume down. Then the antenna. And below you have speakers, speaker grills, and a USB-C cable, USB-C connector. That's pretty much it. And here you have these powerful cameras. Show you, if I can show you, this camera here really looks powerful, that one. So this one, I'm not sure, I think this is probably the ultra wide. No, maybe this is the main camera, and this is the ultra wide, and this is the zoom camera here, like that. It's very, there is something more there, like some sensor, some kind of sensor there, and that notification LED that looks really special. There is also a front-facing camera here. The fingerprint sensor is built into the screen, it's built into the display. Now when you put your Google Pixel on a desk, you will put it like this, so you can see the notification LED and nothing else. Only important notifications will pass through. So that's pretty nice. I hope this helps you. And if you want to watch the video about the setup, I will have it on the channel soon. Thanks for watching.